Hi guys and welcome back. Now, anybody who is familiar with the original version of Space Invaders will know that when the aliens reach the bottom of the screen and hit the ship, the game is over. So let's try and replicate that feature now within our program. So, when a player doesn't shoot down enough of the alien ships quickly enough, we'll have the aliens destroy the ship if and when they hit it. And at the same time, we'll limit the number of ships a player can use and will destroy the ship when an alien reaches the bottom of the screen. We'll then end the game when the player has used up all their ships. So the first thing we need to do is detect alien ship collisions. We'll check for alien ship collisions immediately after updating the position of each alien. So how do we do that? Well, we jump into our game functions file and we go down to our update aliens function, which should be our last function. So here it is here on my screen. It starts at line 117. And what we do is we just add in a couple of spaces here and we add in a comment and we say, look for alien ship collisions. Commissions. Well, it would be good, I suppose, if we were getting commissions every time a ship and an alien crash, but that's not what this game is about. Maybe in the next game. Okay, so look for alien ship collisions. So if pygame dot sprite collide any, and then we're looking for a ship and aliens. There we go. Colon print. So we're going to put up a message to say that a ship has been hit. Your ship has been hit. Okay, there we go. Let's just save that. So the method sprite collide any takes two arguments, a sprite and a group. This method looks for any member of the group that's collided with the sprite and stops looking through the group as soon as it finds one member that has collided with the sprite. Here it loops through the group aliens and returns the first alien it finds that has collided with the ship. If no collisions occur, sprite collide any returns none, and the if block at line here 1, 2, 3 won't execute. If it finds an alien that's collided with the ship, it returns that the alien and the if block executes, and it then prints your ship has been hit. So now what we need to do is we need to pass to our update aliens method. So jump into our main file here, Invaders from Python. And in our gf.updateAliens, so here we are here, we need to add in, after settings, we need to add in ship. There we go. Come on. So now when we run our game, whenever an alien collides with our ship, we should see the message, your ship has been hit. So let's save this. Okay, so let's run our game now and see what happens. Oh, we get an error. Why did we get an error? Two position arguments with 3 were given. Okay, so jump back into our game functions. Here we have Invaders from Python settings. I should have put in ship, which I forgot, even though I mentioned it. Ship, okay, let's save that. Let's jump across here, run our game. Another error. Okay, hang on. Let's see here what's going on. What's going on is I put the ship in the wrong function. So that is real schoolboy error stuff, so sorry about that. You probably haven't made that mistake, so let me just save that. Jump back into our game, third time lucky. Boom. Okay. So as you can see in the last lecture, I updated the speed of my aliens and my bullets. So there you go. So what I'm going to do now is pause this for a moment, and when we come back, the aliens will just about be able to touch the ship and we'll see what happens. I'll see you in a second. Hey guys, so welcome back. So as you can see here now, our aliens are just about to collide with our ship, and we need to see what happens when this happens. So let's have a look. Looks like we have one more loop to do. There we go. Okay, so you can see in my terminal here, I just cut it in the corner of my eye. And this is just for testing purpose. Your ship has been hit. So there we go. We'll look at removing the ship in a later lecture, but for now we know that the collisions are working. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.